Hello, hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. Indeed, here we have something I don't believe I've heard of but never seen. It's a Music Mate. And the keyboard and software in this package lets you record up to 10 continuous minutes of your music and play it back. Choose between 8 present sounds, including electric piano, violin, clarinet, banjo, etc. Play the keyboard live, sounding up to 3 notes at one time. Expand your musical capabilities with this exciting additional software. I've heard of this. I have never seen it. And soon we'll unbox it. But not yet. Because what do we have here? We have the friendly computer. Playing Space Invaders on television. Indeed, it is the VIC-20. This too, hang on, almost opened it there. This too I went on a very long drive to get some stuff. I did. Do I need this stuff? No. Do I want this stuff? Yes. I went on a very long drive. Very long. Which actually I was very pleased with my, how would you say it? Efficiency. They always talk about efficiency in government. You just don't ever seem to get it. But efficient is when your map program tells you it's going to take you, maybe 2 hours and 15 minutes each way. And that's about how long it took. Now, was I going just a titch over the speed limit? Yes, not all the time, but now and again, just a titch over the speed limit. But I was tired. All right, it is time to open the box and behold what we see inside. All right, firstly, this does have the packing stuff, and it does have right here an original VIC-20 power supply. I'm assuming this is the 9-volt version, and indeed it is. The rest of what's in here is the separate RF modulator. I should test these things. I need to find a way to test these things, but I have not. It all looks very lovely, very perfect, very dandy. I'm going to leave the RF modulator in the box. And fold this over. And then I will take the very original power supply, class 2 output, VIC-20, and I will set it over here with the 64. It's working, but it's been locking up. Oh, I can't do that. It's funny. Oh, I was just about to close up the box without actually taking out the VIC-20. It does seem it seems to be sticking. I wonder if I take this out. There we go. Well, I'll just set it over here on the pile of things that's probably going to fall down. And it's in a bag. And we'll pull off the stuff. And there it is. Hey, VIC-20, give me a moment. I push this stuff very delicately and carefully back in because it is the original packaging. And then, let's see here. Is there a serial number on the box? There is V249541. And what do we find? V249541. So it is indeed the original box. Ugh. Let's set that down with great care. And this box I'll set over here, right there. This actually, on the place where it says VIC-20, it still has the original plastic. It does. Now, in keeping with what I've been doing, I'm going to open this up. 3 Phillips screws. Could be Torx, but generally it's not. Generally the Torx are farther down the line with the Commodore 64Cs. But mind you, over the years, if things have been opened up, you never know what you'll find. Sometimes it's wood screws with Robertson heads. Alright, got that open. Oh, by the way, this one on the bottom, it has this special little thing in the top here that says Made in Canada, because they really didn't have the stickers ready. Oh, it's kind of funny. Is there a foot missing? No, there isn't. Maybe it's the table. Okay, so we'll open it up. Disconnect. Oh. Attempt to disconnect the keyboard. Okay, the keyboard is off. This one, it has these funny little fingers. See the little fingers? They broke off much too easily. They did eventually replace them with bigger plastic things. Ugh. This pile is not good. Alright. So here is, from what I know, a second version of the VIC-20. The first version I didn't know existed came from Japan and didn't have this cover, but there was a warning thing. So all the major chips seem to be socketed. Funny, this shielding thing, I often wondered, why? Why does it move? But it does, in all of them. It moves. I don't know. Alright, so everything appears to be here. There does not seem to be any mouse nests. Does not seem to be any damage. There does not. So, the next thing to do is take this power supply, and I've not known them to be terribly untrustworthy. And I've got a light here that is making it hard for me to see. Oh, so I will pull out a plug. I will plug this in. Okay. It is plugged in. Then, okay, this thing is still doing its thing. I'm going to have to see what's what with it. I'm going to steal the video. Did I turn it off before I unplugged the video? No, I didn't. Oh well. Okay, 5-pin video, which is standard on a VIC-20. It's in. Ooh, the power switch is sticky. Let's see what we see. Ooh. Ta-da! It's, so far, a VIC-20 that seems happy. Here, I don't have the cable, but I have this cartridge. VIC-20 diagnostic. I need to see about getting the cable, or making the cable. I'll put it in here. Whoa. Turn it on. And see if it comes up with anything. Now, really, it won't go all the way through because it doesn't have the harness. It will not, but it should tell me a few things. It should. Yeah, serial bus bad. I know you don't have the harness, but you know. Ow. Ow. Okay, now the next best logical test is Omega Race. One of my favorite games of all time. Ta-da! And up it comes. Now, excuse me, I need to rise. I need to reach over here and grab a beautiful Boss joystick. Actually, recently, I was in touch with a fellow about a monitor that I think I will sell. I said, is there anything else on your wish list? And he said, yes, a Boss joystick. This may not be the one. He wants a pretty, well, that one maybe looks more pretty. Okay, so they're all pretty. They're all pretty wonderful. But let's see. All right, don't go wild on me. Now, usually this one will shoot me, but it didn't quite. Okay, let's get some shots over there. This is gonna go nuts. I know it. Oh no, not mine. Boom. Yeehaw, I'm on to the next level. Oh, gotta shoot the mines. Shoot as many things, including the mines, as possible. Here it goes. It's gonna go nuts. Woo! Okay. Boom. Ah, dear. Boy, I shot that right. Boom. Oh, and I got that. Oh, I got another go. That was pretty tight. Ah, kaboom. Oh well, better game than average. So it would seem that this VIC-20 is pretty happy. It would seem. And nothing is getting too hot. And the big thing about testing these is the big chip, video chip. Is the video chip happy? Yes. Is it? And also the video chip does the sound. So that is good. So I wonder, this may not be, this joystick has some discoloration. It may not be up to snuff, but the other one might be. Anyway, we'll see. Yes, I did say sell things. I don't do it, but I might. A little bit. We'll see. All right. So this is still running. I will turn this off before I pull out the cartridge. Always, 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 always do that. Now, what's going on here? The next thing to do is to see. Ooh, don't break the little clippy things. Put on Put the power back on. Put the keyboard back on. And turn it back on. Power switch is a little stiff. And then hit the keys. One by one by one. And things do seem to be working. Oh yeah, feels good. Cursor keys, home key, shift home key, the graphics thing, the shift thing, the shift lock, the shift key. Remember, if you just tap things, even though they don't do anything, if the cursor flashes differently, then it's okay. Now, this will not look good on this, but we'll give it a try. Yeah, it really doesn't. But that's probably because it's a little too long. Or maybe it's a little too short. Well, it's different. That might be better. Ooh, a little bit. Remember, put down the roll the Commodore, roll the Commodore, roll the Commodore. Yeah. I am suspecting now, if I go put another space in here and type run, there it is. Up and down the screen it goes. So it does seem that this VIC-20 is mighty fine. It does seem that way. It does. So that is good. I guess I should leave it here running, much like the 64, although the 64 has been locking up. This is disturbing. But, you know, not to be unexpected. It probably means one chip is a little wonky. Alright, I think what I'm going to do, instead of having this run World of Commodore, World of Commodore, World of Commodore, is I'm going to put this cartridge back in and let it sit and let it do its thing, running through the demo, let it get good and hot, see what's what. So, next time, in the next video, indeed, I will unbox the Music Mate, which I've heard about, but I've never seen. At least I don't believe I've seen. We'll see. Thanks for coming to the TV room. I am David Bradley. I'm your host. Bye for now.